Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this week's video, I thought I would just start off another vlog in the quarantine. I don't really have much planned, but I thought I would just bring you guys along with me to whatever I get up to. I just woke up a little bit ago. I'm gonna go make a little bit of breakfast and maybe work out, maybe get myself ready for the day today. And yeah. Also, if you are not yet already and you like the vlogs, subscribe down below. Okay, so for breakfast, my mom is making a frittata. What's in here, Mom? Like broccoli, sausage,
broccoli, garlic, squash, yellow squash, and that's pretty much turkey sausage.
the whole deal. It looks amazing.
Yay.
Okay, so we just took it out of the oven, and it's pretty much all done. We're just gonna let it cool for a little bit. And that is breakfast. This looks so good. Also, last night I made these chocolate chip cookies and they are so good. They are not safe. Okay, I'm in a bathing suit. Plans for the day are that I'm gonna lay by the pool and try and get some color, some vitamin D. I've gotten a couple things done this morning. I woke up, ate breakfast, started this vlog, and posted some things on my Depop as well. I've gotten some color the past couple of days, but getting a tan is a mission. Let's connect some music. Also, if you guys need a good sunscreen, this one by Supergoop is so bomb. They actually sent over a couple goodies to me, but I've been using their sunscreen for years now. They're my faves, right? If you guys want a good, amazing sunscreen. B and I are virtually tanning together.
We are. We're getting some vitamin
D.
Vitamin D.
Do you want to play? You're such a nugget.
Oh, nimble.
Okay, I just came back inside. I think I was out there for about like an hour or something-ish. But anyways, I just remembered I need to go to the post office and drop off some things for Depop that I need to ship out. That was not English, Paige. I need to go to the post office to ship out clothes to you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna get dressed right now and then head over there. And yeah, that's next on the to-do list. Okay, I just threw on an outfit. I honestly don't even know if you could call this an outfit, but quarantine outfit. Sweatshirt is from Shadow Hill. I got it forever ago. Sweats are Free City. As always, they're just the comfiest. And then Uggs. Wow, this outfit is really just something. I think we're also going up bike riding, so it'll be a fun little activity for the day. And yeah, let's go. Just trying to get that content.
I'm done.
Okay, about to drop off everyone's packages. Also, we were very sanitary when we were dropping off the packages. We didn't touch anything. We just put in a bin, right? Yes.
Okay, we're recording again. Oh, maybe it's because you don't have any memory on your phone.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's
my,
what.
Dad was...
Is it supposed to be red?
Yeah.
Okay.
My dad was just supposedly recording.
Yeah, we were talking about my favorite Instagrammer.
And he wasn't actually recording. We should bike ride more often.
We should. Angles.
Did you just say angles?
Yeah, it's all about angles.
Making tacos tonight. More?
Yeah, that's good.
These are also some of my favorite tortillas as well. I always make wraps with them, especially when I'm at school. They're also super good for you. They're non-GMO, they have no artificial sweeteners, and they're super low carb. And they're really yummy. Boom. So good. Oh, you're already starting? Okay, tonight we're making Rice Krispie treats with a special guest.
Hello.
B's on FaceTime while we're making Rice Krispies because quarantine. 6 feet apart.
And a phone.
Oh my god, you can't even put a marshmallow in. this. Watch this. Move your hand.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I feel like you actually have to have a lot of strength to do this. It's kind of hard.
It's so hot in the kitchen. I've been stirring for so long. You wouldn't be able to make these if I wasn't helping. I'm doing all the work. Gosh, do something. My arm's killing me from stirring so much.
These look so good. Look how thick they are. We're gonna bring these to Bailey right now. So, see you soon, B.
Oh, those are huge.
Oh, but they're not good because they're not thin.
I can't take all this.
What?
Taste test really quick.
Okay. I've been craving these
Are those
ever since
Gunner?
Chrissy Teigen posted about them.
Are those Gunner glasses?
No, Prevere. Wow, those are incredible. Oh my gosh. Really,
Next level.
Really the perfect amount of everything.
Well, enjoy. I love you.
I love you.
And I'll see you tomorrow for the next meal.
Okay. We love you. And you.
I love
And
both
you. So I just got back home a little bit ago from dropping off food to Bailey. I think I'm gonna start getting ready for bed just because I'm so tired. But I thought I would show you guys a little bit of my skincare routine before. This is the mask that I usually use. It's by Ramona Klein, my facialist. All of her products are the best. They're all my favorites. Oh, I also usually keep this mask on for like 10-ish to 15 minutes. Or just until when I see it starting to crack. But while I have this mask on, I thought I would ask you guys to ask me questions on my Insta story. Really any questions you guys have while I wait to take this off. Okay, someone said, how have you been staying motivated in quarantine? First, I want to say I hope everyone is staying safe and staying inside. And I hope you guys are all taking it as seriously as it should be. I think the main thing is I've been working out a lot. That's been keeping me really distracted, really motivated to do other things. I've been selling a lot of things on Depop. That's been keeping me really busy. And I'm also donating 20% of the proceeds to relief funds for coronavirus. So it's all going to a good cause as well. Make sure you guys check that out too. I'll have that link down below, of course, for you guys. I've also just been staying really active. I've been going on lots of walks with my dogs, watching TikToks. Oh, I've also been baking every single night, like literally every night. Comment also down below if you guys would want to see like a baking video or something like that. That might be fun. Next question is, are you single? Yes, I'm single. Yeah, just focusing on myself and my YouTube and my school. Yeah. Okay, next question is, how did you know Indiana was for you? It's actually really funny because I almost didn't go to Indiana. It took me 2 trips to go visit Indiana. One with my brother. That's when I first fell in love with like the whole idea of a bigger school. I was originally supposed to go to Chapman, which is just the polar opposite. No hate towards Chapman at all. I have so many friends that go there and they love it. But Chapman versus Indiana is just so polar opposite. And I think the reason why I had such a hard time deciding was because Chapman was so safe and it was in LA and it was what I wanted. Versus Indiana, it was the only school I applied to that was far away and I knew no one going there besides obviously my brother, and it was just so not what I thought I wanted until I visited. I ended up going a second time to visit Indiana. On the way home with my dad, I ended up getting a piece of paper and I wrote my pro and con list of Chapman versus Indiana. I ended up, long story short, deciding Indiana, and it was probably the best decision I could have ever made, just because it made me step outside of my comfort zone and it made me kind of just grow up in a way that I didn't know I needed to be or needed to do. I think at the time I didn't know it was the right fit for me. I think I just liked the idea of a bigger school. I think I liked the idea of stepping out of my comfort zone and being in a place that I've never been. And I think that's how I knew it was the right choice for me. I hope that answered your question though. Okay, next question is, where's your phone case from? This one is from Apple. It's the battery charging one. Next question is, what is your go-to mascara? Love you so much. Oh, I love you too. My favorite mascara is probably the Better Than Sex mascara, the waterproof one. That's my holy grail all-time favorite. Next question is, what is your zodiac sign? I am a Sagittarius. I'm so into all of the horoscopes and everything like that. So yeah, Sagittarius baby. Okay, I think I'm gonna rinse this mask off now because it's been like 20-ish minutes. So let me take this off and then I'll show you guys what the results are after. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but my skin feels so much better and it looks so glowy. Such a difference.
about you in my live today.
You did?
Yeah, they said, what's been your quarantine food? And I said, my best friend Paige and her family has been dropping me off food every night, but she bakes wonderful cookies.
Okay, we're gonna play the pen game. My dad somehow found this. I don't know what it is. I don't get it, but let's see if Bailey can get it.
You can play the pen game. Can I?
No! Okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game?
I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game?
Paige cannot play the pen game. Blakey can play.
Okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game? Oh, it's because you have to say okay first. That's just...
It's like video 101. You don't want to go down here because then you look old and fat. And up here, you're young and rejuvenated.